Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is CryptoTrader77. In today's video, I just wanted to start it off by saying thank you guys so much for all the engagement, all the feedback and support you guys are giving me. It means the absolute world to me, and I cannot thank you guys enough. I respect each and every single one of you, and I hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing day, a beautiful day. It's pretty cloudy where I am right now. It's not too cloudy, but it is a little chilly, a little snowy where I am. Nonetheless, absolutely amazing day for me, and I hope it's the exact same or even better for each and every one of you guys. For today's video, I'm just going to be doing some Bitcoin technical analysis like usual and going over some news. This one's going to be really quick video. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're starting here on the 1 hour candles for Bitcoin. You can see this symmetrical triangle that we're forming. I have mentioned in previous videos that a symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern. So it's more likely technically to break in the direction that we started the pattern. So we started this pattern with a upside direction, started forming the pattern as you can see here, and it is a continuation pattern. So technically we are more likely to break this pattern to the upside with a price target of $66,500 approximately. A beautiful price target, honestly. If we continue to see any move to the upside, it would be just amazing for Bitcoin and amazing for crypto in general. So that's absolutely amazing to see. If we were to see the unlikely scenario of the breakdown, then we would here have a price target of $58,000 approximately, which you can see it's not like too big of support, but 58,000, solid number, solid level. It's going to be psychological resistance. We even did dump down. Once we hit 64, we had a massive wick down to 58K. It was 58,200 on some exchanges, so practically 58K coming in as support. That's very possible to see. I'm not expecting the breakdown of this symmetrical triangle just because the markets are severely bullish right now. There's a ton of bullish news. The halving's approaching. Just everything is looking really bullish for the Bitcoin price and the crypto prices in general. So I'm not expecting this to break to the downside. However, it is a possibility, and we are not going to enter any trades, guys, until we see a breakout, confirmation, and then continuation of the move in that direction. Same with this, we would see a breakout, retest, and then down like this. Until we get that confirmation, guys, we should not enter into any trades. We don't want to make any positions or open any positions until the market decides which way it wants to go. Yeah, that's the TA I have for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into some news. So here you can see since the ETF started trading on January 11th, GBTC, which is Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF, has seen their Bitcoin holdings drop by 190,000 Bitcoins, nearly a whole MicroStrategy's worth. So we all know MicroStrategy. They hold 193,000 Bitcoins. Ever since the ETFs started trading January 11th, I mean, GBTC has been trading way longer than the other 9 new ETFs, of course. But they have seen, since the other ETFs started trading, about $190,000 or 190,000 Bitcoins taken off of their ETF holdings. So that's absolutely insane to see. Yeah. The 9 new Bitcoin ETFs have $21.17 billion in total assets under management. All of them are viable. Then you can see the listed 9 ETFs here and how much they have in assets under management. Absolutely insane. Very bullish. They're not slowing down. BlackRock, Fidelity, Bitwise, ARK, they all want Bitcoin. So should you guys. US over-the-counter platforms have run out of Bitcoin. There are only 40 Bitcoins left on US over-the-counter platforms. This will add to the massive supply shock we are already seeing. We are not bullish enough. This is absolutely crazy. If there's not enough Bitcoins OTC already, and we're already seeing the supply shock, not only from the ETFs buying way more Bitcoins than are being produced daily, but after the halving, the amount of Bitcoins produced daily are going to be cut, of course, in half, from 900 to 450 Bitcoin a day. This is absolutely insane to see. The supply shock will be massive. Simple supply and demand. When there's huge supply or demand for something and the supply is only dwindling and getting lower, simple supply and demand, guys, the price will go parabolic. It is inevitable, and we see it after the halving every single time. The U.S. national debt is escalating at a staggering rate, increasing by $1 trillion every 100 days. This is just horrible to see. Your money should never be inflated, especially this much. This is just absolutely insane. And the debt that we are accruing just worldwide, not even only in the US, it's absolutely insane. Very bearish for fiat currencies, very extremely bullish for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin halving is in just 47 days, guys. We are less than 2 months away from the Bitcoin halving. It is only getting closer. This is absolutely bullish, of course. Again, the supply of Bitcoin will be cut from 900 Bitcoins daily to 450, so that's absolutely bullish. Bitcoin just made the biggest money gain on a monthly candle in its history. This is more bullish than any monthly candle in the past. This is absolutely insane. You can see even in the last bull market, it wasn't even this bullish for monthly candles. This is just crazy, guys. It's just starting right now. Of course, we could see some down action before we go up even higher, or we could go up a little higher and then see some down action. Of course, and these are all possibilities, but in the long run, in the macro time frame, we are only going to the moon, especially in the next year or two, guys. New BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF breaks $10 billion in just 7 weeks, the fastest ever for an ETF. It took gold ETF, GLD, 3 years to reach $10 billion in assets under management. This is absolutely wild. This Bitcoin is breaking records with this, guys. No ETF has ever grown this quickly, this much, this fast. This is just extremely bullish and shows how much demand there is for Bitcoin right now. So this is just extremely bullish. But yeah, that's the news. That's the TA I have for you guys. I hope you guys found value in this video, learned something. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends. I would greatly appreciate it. It would mean the absolute world to me. I'm out here with my dog right now. But yeah, I appreciate every single one of you so much, and I can't thank you enough for all the feedback and support I'm getting once again. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.